Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing factory coatings and moisture. Wash with hot water and a stiff brush. Avoid strong soap unless needed. Once clean, dry it completely, then heat briefly on the burner to evaporate hidden water. Next, apply a thin, even layer of a high smoke point oil, about 1/2 teaspoon per surface, and wipe until the pan almost looks dry. This first bake creates a base polymerized layer. Make sure to create thin coats so the seasoning bonds instead of pooling. Once you apply thin oil, you bake to polymerize the fat into a hard layer. Place the pan upside down in a 350 degrees 450 degrees oven for 1 hour, with foil below to catch drips. Repeat 3 to 5 cycles. Each thin coat strengthens the surface and smooths pores, so don't rush. Make sure to cool fully between cycles. If a layer feels tacky, it's a sign you applied too much oil or the temperature was too low, so remove excess and rebake. You now move to first cooks. Preheat the skillet gradually and use moderate heat for the first few meals so the seasoning stabilizes. High-fat foods like bacon help bond the surface. Once done, clean with hot water and a brush, dry thoroughly, then oil lightly. If the pan develops rust or sticky spots, scrub to bare metal, dry on heat, and reseason with thin oil layers. This restores the coating quickly, so don't panic. Follow the same steps you used initially.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.